In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what Apple services you have been charged for on PayPal. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you want to keep track of your spending or need to double-check your transactions. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. You can do this from your preferred web browser on either your computer or your mobile device. Simply type in paypal.com and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Take a moment to carefully enter your email address and password to sign in. After successfully logging in, you might be asked to verify your identity. PayPal offers an option to receive a verification code either via WhatsApp or a regular text message. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Just keep an eye on your messages and enter the verification code you receive when prompted. This step helps to secure your account and ensures that it's really you accessing sensitive financial information. Once you're in your PayPal account, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. Look for the Activity tab in the top navigation menu and give it a click. This is where PayPal records all your transactions. It's essentially your digital account statement, listing every purchase, subscription, and payment you've made. Now, it's time to start searching for transactions related to Apple services. Within the Activity section, you can search for specific transactions by entering keywords or filtering dates if you remember when the charge occurred. You could type Apple into the search bar and hit enter. PayPal will then display all transactions that include the keyword you entered. As you browse through these transactions, pay close attention to the payment details. This is where you'll see exactly what Apple services or digital content you've paid for. The transaction details should also show the amount, the date of the purchase, and any other pertinent information PayPal has logged. If needed, you can click on individual transactions to get more detailed information. This can be particularly helpful if you need to dispute a charge or simply want to ensure that everything is in order. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have a clear understanding of what Apple services you've been charged for via PayPal. Keeping track of such transactions not only helps you manage your subscriptions better, but also ensures that there are no unexpected charges. Thanks for following along, and have a wonderful day managing your finances.